it's me again, Rafi. So right now this is my engine, and I removed this part, which is specifically the air filter with its velocity stack that is specially made for a pocket type engine, a pocket bike engine, and a gravity type carburetor. As you can see, it's kind of rusty, but it works well. Then here's the carburetor at the left side. Then here's the engine itself. As you can see, when I pull the starter, the compression still works well, but the ignition coil is busted, and the spark plug, I didn't check it. So later on, I'm gonna check this one. And at the left side of it, it's the clutch shoe. As you can see, it's new. Well, we're gonna test it if it can compensate the engine's RPM. Then here's the compression. As you can see, the pistons works well inside the block, so it's not stuck up. So it's really works well. Then let's now have this project. Ordered parts online. So mostly of the parts came from China. So in the Philippines, it will come from a week and a two. So it's very cheap. So for example, this carburetor, I bought it for almost 250 pesos. And the velocity stock that comes around below 300 pesos. So I think so 200 to 260. Then this one is much more expensive, I think, but it's below 300 maybe or more than. So this one is the ignition coil. So let's open this one. We're gonna start with the pocket bike ignition coil that is specially made for pocket bike engines. The carburetor, a bulb type carburetor. So comparing to this one, this is a gravity type carburetor. Then the next one will be the velocity stack that will be used later on for the mushroom type air filters. Then I've said earlier is a manifold that is specialized for this one. Then will be connected to there. So let's start with So as you can see, here's the old ignition coil. So we're gonna replace it with a new one. First, the new one. So upon replacing the new ignition coil, you must have a clearance between the magnet and the flywheel. So here it is. So you must position a distance. We're gonna perform the conversion of the gravity type pocket bike carburetor into a bulb type chainsaw or 49cc engine carburetor. So upon converting of these two, we'll need a adapter of manifold or another type of manifold. So here's the original manifold that came from here. So we're gonna change it with what we call it, reed bulb or something. We're gonna change it with the 49cc manifold carburetor adapter. So therefore the engine pressure can come out with this outlet. When the engine pressure comes out, it will be absorbed by the special type of carburetor which has an outlet. Therefore it will come out from the filter. as you can see, it's kind of rusty because I bought it on my local junk shop for only 100 pesos. But I don't bother if it's rusty because I really like the rust look, like a rat look. I'm gonna put it up on our pocket bike engine.